Hi, welcome to our Hardik Bruno official. In this video presentation, we talk about the topic of food delivery app using MERN Stack development. This internship is all about honing his skills and gaining hands-on experience in web development and related technologies. Thank you for this given wonderful opportunity, Weback Academy in Bangalore. First of all, introduce myself. I am Arul Bruno from Dindikal. I am pursuing Bachelor of Engineering from Erode Secondary Engineering College. I did my school in St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Positive thinking is my strength, and I am very bold and diligent. This is also my strength. My purpose in life to achieve my goals, make my parents proud, and see happiness in their face. And the another goal in my life is to ride to the top of the world, Ladakh. I am very motivated person and I am good at my soft skills, especially problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, teamwork skills, leadership skills. Also hard skills, especially in other languages like front end technology, HTML, CS, JavaScript. Then next UI design in this Figma tool, and next technically C and C++ and Java. I am hard worker, dedicated to my tasks and meeting deadlines. I enjoy completing assignments individually or within a team. I am very confident person. I am always one to volunteer for class activities, and we have to problem standing up in front of the class and giving a presentation. I think this will help me in future. I just say that I have to do in even though it is difficult and I have a lot of work to do. Even in that situation, I smile and face the situation easily and do the job perfectly. I am just saying I have to. I want to be like me. I am proud of myself. I am a self-motivated and disciplined soul. I am always keep to upskill myself, my learning new things whenever I get a chance. Then interested one, I will ride the bike whenever I am happy or sad. Then I get a peace of mind and a change mindset. One thing I have learnt in my life is it is not how hard you can hit, it's about how hard you can get in and keep moving forward. I am simple man with regular goals and ambitions just like most. But thanks to my past and present, I am prepared for my future. Just a little bit intro for Weback Academy. Weback Academy is one of the best online course provider is full stack web developer course on MERN Stack. Our best online full stack developer course in MERN with placement is built based on JavaScript everywhere paradigm. This front-end course gives extensive focus on building elegant UI using ReactJS by leveraging HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. The backend course enables you to build lightweight and scalable web application using Node.js and Express.js framework. When I started at full stack, I knew nothing more than that I had been able to pick up in online coding lessons and a couple of Weback Academy. I was not sure what to expect. This curriculum at Full Stack is administered through daily lecture and instruction on their learning portal. The lessons are constantly being improved to incorporate the latest version and tools on the market. The con of this occasion gaps where we looked up information ourselves and suggested that it to be added. The pro is that the instruction make themselves open to this feedback and respond by considering and often making the suggested changes. An engineer friend who looked at my code commented that he was impressed by the content because the skills we are learning those most on demand in the job market. This program has made a incredible difference in my coding abilities and my life, and I would recommend it to anyone who is prepared to devote a few months to rigorous coding experience, prepared to be challenged. I know you tired of reading reviews that say attending Full Stack Academy was the greatest decision of my life. But it is true. After many years of professional acting and part-time jobs in New York, I wanted to change careers and pursue new direction in life. I could not be happier with the results. The beginning was a big adjustment. Full stack hits the ground running, so I had to work hard to learn the habits of throat I was lacking, such as how to debug my own work. The staff was incredibly supportive in these efforts, tapping each of these lectures so that could review them, as well as being very available each day to answer questions and unravel code. Overview of full stack development. Full stack development encompasses both front-end and back-end development, allowing developers to work on their entire application stack. Full stack is developer concept describing the web platform. It encapsulates front-end plus back-end. It defines the entire scale of a web application from the website front-end to the server back-end. Full stack developer work on the whole structure the application from the database and web server to the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This means the work of with the complete toolbox. They have server-side platform like ASP.NET, Node.js, PHP, Python, Ruby and Rails and so on. What are the steps to become a full stack web developer? Before jumping right into learning any technology, first understand what exactly does the term full stack actually mean. At the end of the answer, I will mention the exact steps you need to take become a full stack developer. Any website you visit is comprised of two parts, front end, back end. Okay, let's talk about the front end first. When you visit the website, what you can see your browser is the front end. It includes the web page, the layout, different styles, images, buttons, text, etc. And the front end usually designed using following technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the basic front end development technologies. Then go to skip off the front end, concentrate on a back end. Back end server, okay. Next we will see the topic of backend server side the topic. Let's assume you want to build a complex application like a banking system where you wish to record and store thousands of transactions every day. To build a site like that, you can easily use HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the front end, but how exactly will you store the user data? Here is where we need the database to record all those transactions. It like a central location. There all your site's data stored. The backend is not only responsible for storing the user and the transaction data, but it is also should be able to serve web pages upon request. Like consider a example of when a user wants to have a look at this transaction, he has may visit this URL. When the user does so, the server should be smart enough to return a web page that has transaction details of the specific person. Like the above URL request mention some Google website or Google or anything. Okay, thousands of users might be making different kinds of requests to the server, and the server is responsible for serving all those respective requests. Then we had a full stack developer have a versatile skill set including knowledge of programming languages, frameworks and a database, making them capable of handling aspects of software development. We will discuss the full stack development in the who is full stack developer. A full stack developer is a professional who has expertise in both front end and back end web development, capable of working on all layers of a software application from the user interface to the server and database. What are the skills of full stack developer? We'll discuss. A full stack developer possesses skills in both front and back end development and the server side of back end and database store the data. You were thinking responsibility of a full stack developer. Can you suggest? A full stack developer is responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining both the front end and back end components of a software application or website. They need to possess a wide range of technical skills and expertise to ensure seamless functionality and an excellent user experience. The next goal of the MERN Stack development title. Our title of building a food delivery app with MERN Stack. The goal of MERN Stack development for a food delivery app is to create a seamless and responsive platform that connects customers with restaurants, enabling online food ordering and delivery. This stack leverages MongoDB. This stack leverages MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js to build a robust real-time application with a focus on user experience and efficient data management. What is MERN Stack? MERN Stack is a web development framework. Its working components are MongoDB, Express.js, ReactJS, and Node.js. MERN Stack is a JavaScript stack that is used for easier and quicker deployment of full-stack web application. Each of these four great technologies provide an end-to-end framework for the developers to work in. Each of these technologies play huge part of development of software applications. Advantages of MERN Stack. The key of benefit for developers using the MERN Stack, that is, every line of code is written in JavaScript and JS, programming languages that is used both for client side and server side. For full stack with multiple programming languages, developers have to figure out how to interface them together. With stack, developers only need to be proficient in JavaScript and JSON. In general, using the MERN Stack enables developers to build extremely efficient web application. Then we next discussed about the topic of project requirements. Discuss about the project requirements. Front end React, mainly focused on React. User registration and login first of all. Then next, browse restaurants and menus. Select food items, add to cart, and then next checkout and payment, and order tracking, rating and reviews. Backend using the technology of Node.js and Express. API endpoints for the user authentication, restaurant and menu management, order processing and fulfillment, real-time updates, database, MongoDB for the user data, menus and orders. Then the front end using the user registration and login. Implement user registration and login functionality to secure user accounts and access to the application. Then next of browse restaurants and menus. Browse the restaurants of the all in the cities and or other reach their locations that we have select on each functions of the in the cities to select the restaurants and click the in-depth of menus and quantity. First of all, client use the food delivery app. Then next search engine come to. Then next placing in order and payment option, delivery time estimation, order tracker, reviews and rates. Client side of the search the components. Restaurant sides of the components, contact management, restaurant dashboard, order management, payment history. These are okay for the restaurants. Couriers of the components, order management, delivery status update. Then we have next discuss about the content of architecture and design. Architecture include the component diagram. Okay, front end React components, user authentication, restaurant listings, menu display, cart management, payment processing. Front end this components are using the technology. Back end for the Node.js Express. Okay, then the components are RESTful API, database MongoDB, order processing, real-time updates. Database side of user data, restaurant, order details, review of ratings. Then brief about full stack web development and MERN Stack. The MERN Stack is a popular technology stack user for building web application. It consists of 4 key components: MongoDB, Express.js, React and Node.js. Here are some update insights. We will discuss about the full stack web development. Start with full stack development involves working on both the front end user interface and back end server side of web application. It includes skills HTML, CS, JavaScript, and back end technologies like Node.js, Python, or Ruby or Nails. Comparatively, MERN Stack is most users and developers are developers can use the technology. Mean stack versus MERN stack. This is another technology of comparatively. This is our internship not include this. MERN is a popular technology stack for web development. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. Express.js is a backend framework. React is for front-end development, and Node.js is used on the server side. As of my last update in the September 2021, it's was widely used for building a modern, scalable web application. However, for the most current updates, it's advisable to check the latest trends and developments in the field. In this modern development, the MERN stack provides a modern and efficient development environment. It is widely used for building web apps, including e-commerce platforms, social media application, and more. In this conclusion for this full stack MERN stack web development, full stack web development involves expertise in both and back-end and front-end development. While the MERN stack is a powerful, widely adopted technology stack for building modern web applications, offering flexibility, scalability, and a strong developer community. Both are essential element of contemporary web development. I would like to my project implementation details. First of all, create the React app, and then next this will front end completed. Then next will back end development and the database MongoDB. This React includes of HTML, CS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and backend includes of Express Web Framework and Mongo's Node.js. MongoDB is a database server is used for the food delivery app. Conclusion for this my project food delivery app using MERN stack development. In conclusion, the MERN stack food delivery app project is designed to create a future rich and user friendly platform that connects customers with restaurants, facilitating online food ordering and delivery with a robust architecture, real-time updates, and a focus on both front-end and back development. It aims to provide a seamless and efficient food ordering experience for users, while enabling restaurants to manage their menus and orders effectively. The use of MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js allows for scalability, adaptability, and modern user interface. I think you are thinking for my project interested one or else your opinions. I can show my project. Okay, go with my project. Okay, first of all create a for front end. First of all create a React app and go to front end of the website, starting my npm start and front end both and front end and back end. Okay, first start with my site. Then we will go to my site, sir. Open. My project for food delivery app. Okay, wait. First of all, I log out. Okay. First, we will sustainability and scalability for my website. One nav bar to include the logo and search bar and the cart button and login button. Then how much restaurants are open and available for this cities or location, your location. My restaurant, my sites are 8 restaurants are open, and pure veg sort by reviews, sort by ratings are sorting the restaurants and the foods are. Then content the title of cards to restaurant image and restaurant name and description for the restaurant, and how much ratings for the restaurant, and how much reviews are the restaurant. These are the home page. Next we will log in the user. Login page are very scalability and responsive web design, and login to first will login failed because these users are not include this database. So first of all, clients are consumers open this first time we create the new user, register pages are open. Then now create a register page, fill the form of name, email and password confirm, phone number, and get avatar in a profile. Fill the name. Okay, then fill email. And formats are defaultly I will put password. Create one unique users and a unique password. Set avatar. Then get a register button. That register pages are responsive and good effectively configuration. Then sign up my site. Then view the pages are home page. Then click logo to return a home page. Already written a home page. Search the restaurant. You can eat a biryani to reach, enter to biryani, go to restaurant. Then you will click pizza. Yours likely pizza restaurants are open. These are scalability and impressive for the search engine. Then click home page. Will get home page. Pure veg get pure veggies are restaurants open. So all the restaurants are open. Sort by reviews. Then ascending the top of the reviews and get ascending the restaurants are open. Then sort by ratings means sort by give the restaurants are top reviews to get top of the place, and then descending the order. Then get the so all the restaurants. Cart button. I am not include the cart box any items in the cart, so your cart is empty in the alert. You will click the orders pages are responsive and good effectively in the front end. Then profile pages like this, very good and effective. Welcome to our name and avatar and edit profile button. This includes edit your profile, Bruno. Update the profile name. Okay, update. User update successfully alert in the footer on the page, and name of the user and email address and joined on food delivery app in this project. User can like 2/10/2003. Then next will home page, click the order, add to cart button. Okay, add the plus and less add item order to successfully. Click the order, alert in the pop-up in the below box, and cart page you will get you got 3 items: cappuccino, espresso shot, cafe mocho. Then click the checkout button, address already will fill the delivery address, and they will continue. Next we'll proceed to payment page. Then name, phone number, address, your cart items: cappuccino, espresso shot, cup mucho, 2 quantity, 1 quantity, 2 quantity. These are all the confirm order page, and order summary are subtotal 1045, delivery charges 0. These are 245 above to get a free delivery charge, tax included 52.25, total 1917.25. Then click proceed to payment. Next we'll see the payment page, card numbers, your card number. Now we will put on developer card number, this example for. Okay, card expiry CVC 67. Pay on the click button. Your card security code is incomplete. Okay, 3 CVC numbers are 3 numbers. Okay, then we'll put authentication of the user to get the Chrome. User, your order has been placed successfully. Okay, then we'll go to orders. My orders page are open. My orders are cappuccino, espresso shot, cafe mocho. Number of items 3 items, 1 2 3 items. Amounts are 1975.25. Status, this will put processing. Now after delivery by will put get a food item, then we'll get a user can take the order, then we'll status delivered. Then okay, next of all go to order page. Okay, then home page, all are them responsive. Then log out successfully. I'm get login. Then we'll open my authentication to connect the home page, my project. Thank you for this given wonderful opportunity, Weback Academy. Okay, thank you.